गुमशुदा थी जिंदगी जब, शून्य में अंधकारों में जोत बनकर आए हैं वो जीवन के बागानों में। इंस्पायरिंग इनोवेटर्स। और आज के हमारे इंस्पायरिंग इनोवेटर है ब्लाइंड विजन फाउंडेशन के फाउंडर।
It all started when we realized that my sister who had diabetes and she lost her vision due to diabetic retinopathy and doctors couldn't do much about it. So we thought, why not we use the technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning to put a device together. India is the capital for visual impairments. There are 1.6 million children in blind schools. They do not have much of reading material like braille books or any other tool. So what we thought, if we could help these children with a device like smart vision glasses that could read for them, that will be able to see for them, that would be able to recognize for them, we thought that would be of greatest help.
Since 2 years I am using this glass. It contains a reading mode, currency detection, walking assistant, facial storage, bookshelf.
In Smart Vision Glass, my favorite function is reading mode.
The Schoolboy is a poem written by William Blake. He was born on November 28, 1757 in London, where he spent most of his life.
In the Smart Vision glasses, we can convert the text from English to any other languages like Kannada.
ಊರು ಮನುಷ್ಯನ್ ಎಂಬ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ವೈಕೋಮ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಬಶೀರ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Emergency mode activated.
जब मैं इमरजेंसी बटन दबाती हूँ तो ये मेरी लोकेशन और फोटो मेरे दोस्त को भेज देता है और वो मुझे तुरंत कॉल कर सकती है। एक लड़की होने के नाते ये मेरे जीवन में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है।
Through this I can recognize what and all people are doing and what is their facial expression and what color dress are they wearing.
This also gives elegant look to me. My wife and my children always used to say that I look very stylish on Smart Vision glasses. So it gives a sense of confidence also.
We put the things together and had it evaluated in schools like APS.
From past 90 years, this institution is contributing for the cause of education and to the poor and needy children. And more so, we have given smart glasses. So that has changed their life.
Today we do have a device where a person or a student can realize their dreams, what they want to be.
ब्लाइंड विजन फाउंडेशन ने हजारों दृष्टिहीन लोगों को आत्मनिर्भर बनाया और ब्लाइंड विजन फाउंडेशन के फाउंडर को बनाया इंस्पायरिंग इनोवेटर्स।
जूझ रही थी जिंदगी जब तपती धूप की बाहों में,
छाँव बनकर आए हैं वो पैर चटकती राहों में।